as hard as you can.
They've been smashed, sunk, even slam dunked.
This one somebody put into their backpack and shot at a basketball hoop like a basketball.
85,000 Chromebooks are in the hands of DPS students every day. That's why the DPS MyTech team visits schools to teach kids how to take care of them, first by showing them what not to do.
We're gonna go destroy a keyboard to show you that they don't just fall apart in our backpacks.
Was it pretty fun to break that Chromebook?
Yeah, I just really got to slam it on the ground.
Would you do that in real life?
No, that's a bad idea.
But accidents do happen, and the good news is a lot of minor damage can be fixed. This is where broken Chromebooks come to get new life. And right here is one of the DPS employees who fixes them.
Some need to be repaired, some of them have to be diagnosed.
Yodit is a junior at George Washington High School and a MyTech apprentice.
They are junior employees. They do everything an employee does. They work in our maintenance system. They do our ticketing system.
Before this, though, Yodit says she didn't know much about computers.
I just wanted to learn more, and also just from where I come, not a lot of people know a lot of computers. So it was oh, I can just be that person that someone can come to and ask questions about computers. It seems to have one light, so motherboard is good.
Now she has a certification, she's earning a paycheck, high school credit, and building a resume.
Especially here applying for STEM school. It's oh, that's very impressive. You already know how to fix it, repair things. It just looks good, and you're ahead of your peers.
Over at West High School, Byron is also a MyTech apprentice. And just like Yodit, he works in the MyTech office right in his own school before and after classes.
I would like to work more hours, but I don't want to end up like Mr. Cruz here.
A nod to a former apprentice still here in spirit. Byron isn't afraid of hard work, though, and he takes this job seriously.
So here this device was dropped by a student and then accidentally stepped on. You have to check everything thoroughly and make sure that everything's sent out, because these are sent out to kids. And if you send a kid a broken device, those schools are not going to think it's your fault. It's going to think it's the kid's fault. And these kids could get charged for something that's entirely not their fault, and it's our fault. So we have to make sure to be thorough with it, make sure to work hard, check everything thoroughly.
In addition to fixing Chromebooks, the apprentices also lead the MyTech interns, gaining communication and management skills.
I've never actually been in a leadership role, so this is the first time really I've been able to experience that. And people around have been here to help me out with it, so I've been growing pretty fast. And yeah, it helps a lot. It's a kind of it's pretty much a real life job.
Is this fun?
Yeah, it is fun. Sometimes it can be stressful depending what you're doing, but usually it is fun. Yeah.
It turns out fixing Chromebooks can be a lot more fun and rewarding than breaking them, something the MyTech team hopes these future potential apprentices will think about.
It's really cool to build it and actually get to see the inside of it.
Learning the skills to protect DPS's valuable investment in their futures.